students, good morning everyone and welcome back to our mathematics class. Students, I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So students, do you remember what did we learn in last week? Yes, correct. We learned how to do multiplication. So student, for doing multiplication, you should know multiplication tables. If you know multiplication tables, you can solve multiplication easily. So student, today we are going to learn multiplication word problems. Okay? Because in last week we solved only some examples, but today we are going to see how to solve word problems of multiplications with the help of multiplication tables. So students, I hope all of you have learned multiplication tables from 2 to 10. Okay? So student, just remember every day you should learn multiplication tables. Practice every day. Okay? Then you can easily solve multiplication word problems. So students, are you ready? Okay. Then start multiplication word problems. Be ready with your rub book and pencil. Okay? So students, here I have written first example. Read. On his birthday, Chintu bought 6 pens at ₹5 per pen. How much must he pay the shopkeeper for them? I repeat. On his birthday, Chintu bought 6 pens at ₹5 per pen. How much must he pay the shopkeeper for them? So students, it's very easy. How much pen? How many pens he bought? 6 pens. And per pen ₹5 means cost of one pen is equal to 5 rupees. So students, we have to find out how much must he pay the shopkeeper for 6 pens. Okay students, so let's see how to solve it. Okay students, so what is the example? Chintu bought 6 pens. So students, see, I am showing here 1 pen, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Chintu bought 6 pens. Correct? And cost of one pen is ₹5. Correct? Means suppose he buy only one pen. Then 5 rupees for one pen. You can see here I am using coins here. For one pen 5 rupees. Then for second pen also 5 rupees. Again 5 rupees. 5, 5 and 5. Okay. He bought 6 pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And cost of one pen is equal to ₹5. Okay student. So now we will do addition. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 5, 20 plus 5, 25 and plus 5, 30. So students, you can see here these are 30 rupees. Okay students. So cost of 6 pens is equal to ₹30. But students, for that we have to add 5 rupees 6 times. Correct? We added 5 6 times. But instead of this, see again, we can use multiplication tables. For example, see, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25 and 5 sixes are 30. Means here you are getting same answer. Correct? Only first we added 5 6 times and afterward we said multiplication tables. So students, what is the answer? Answer is 30 only. Just see, there are 6 pens and cost of one pen. So how to write it? 6 multiplied by 5 is equal to 30. Okay students, very good. So students, did you understand the activity? Very good. So students, according to your activity, the first thing we have done, that is addition. Correct? Means cost of one pen is equal to 5. Correct? Rupees 5 per pen. Such how many pens are there? 6 pens. Means 5 plus 5 plus 5. In this way we have to write 6 times. Correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we have to do addition. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Plus 5, 20. Plus 5, 25. Plus 5, 30. But student, it takes time. Correct? But easy way is, just see how to write number of pens. Student, tell me how many pens he bought. He bought 6 pens. So number of pens is equal to 6. Next one is cost of one pen. What is the cost of one pen? Rupees 5. So here you have to do multiplication. So total cost is equal to, say the table of 6. Till 6 5s are. Okay students? So you know that 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24 and 6 5s are 30. So students, here write down answer 30. So student, in this way you have to write word problems. Number of pens 6, cost of one pen 5. So total cost is equal to 6 5s are 30. So students, by addition method or multiplication method, answer you will get same. Okay, but it is easy method and it takes time to add. Okay student, so you have to solve word problems by this method. Okay, directly you have to say multiplication tables. So students, I hope you will all learn multiplication tables from 2 to 10. Okay students, very good. Now we will see next example. Student, see the second example. 7 days in 1 week. So how many days in 4 weeks? So students, you know that in 1 week how many days are there? 7 days. Which 7 days can you tell me? Correct. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. These are 7 days in 1 week. So how many days in 4 weeks? So students, very easy. It is a word problem. So how to write, just see. First write down weeks. How many weeks? 4 weeks. So weeks dash and write down 4. Okay students, when you will solve this example in exam, that time also you should write in this way only. Okay, weeks 4. Next, what is given? 7 days in 1 week. So here write down days in 1 week. Days in 1 week. How many days? 7 days. Correct? So 4 into 7. You have to do multiplication of 4 and 7. So total days. Total days in 4 weeks. Say the table of 4 till 4 7s are. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24 and 4 7s are 28. So here you should write 28. 4 7s are 28. Okay student. So student, just see, weeks 4 and days in 1 week 7. So 4 7s are 28. These are total days in 4 weeks. So students, see, you can do this way also. See, total there are 4 weeks, 1 2 3 4, and in 1 week there are 7 days, correct? So you can say 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21 and 7 fours are 28. Then also you will get answer 28. So students, did you understand how to solve multiplication word problems? Just remember, you should write in this way. If cost of one thing is given, okay student, just see, if cost of one thing is given and you have to find cost of many things, okay, then you have to do multiplication. Just see here, days in 1 week are given, correct? In previous example, the cost of one pen was given. So student, when cost or days of any one thing is given and you have to find value of many things, that time you have to do multiplication. Okay students? Okay. So student, today's homework is you have to solve multiplication word problems from your textbook. Okay students? Thank you.